Hello, everyone. At Kroger, our purpose is to feed the human spirit, which means we are called to do more and help make the lives of those around us better. When we see our associates, customers, and neighbors affected by racism, discrimination, and injustice, we are called to speak out and act in accordance with our values. Over the past several months, we've listened closely to our 500,000 associates and countless communities across the nation to learn what we can do better to accelerate and promote greater change and equity in our workplace and the communities we serve. I am so proud of how our associates have come together and really listened to and learned from each other and our community partners. I'm grateful for those who stepped forward to speak openly and share what meaningful action looks like to them. This feedback helped us build a plan to move us forward together. This week, we publicly shared our framework for action, diversity, equity, and inclusion plan. This plan is just the beginning. We are approaching this effort with humility, knowing we can't do it all alone, and don't and won't have all the answers. But we are committed, I am committed, to continuing to listen, to speak out, and to take action. I encourage you to visit thekrogerco.com and read more about our plan to stand together. And if you haven't already voted, be sure to make your voice heard by voting early or on Election Day, November 3rd. Every vote and voice matters. And as I close, I want to also acknowledge that the holidays are here. First off, with Halloween. We know this holiday season will look different than years past. But no matter how you choose to celebrate, we wish you a safe and healthy Halloween. We have all the candy and props you need to have a great time, and I know I've certainly been buying some of it. Thank you to our loyal customers, and thank you to our associates for everything you do. And please know we are welcoming new associates to the Kroger family this holiday season. And if you're interested in a role with us, maybe as a cashier, e-commerce specialist, or a customer service clerk, please visit jobs.kroger.com. Thank you as always.